Google just launched its brand new AI image generation model called Nano Banana. And trust me, it's insane. If you're into photo retouching, this video is going to blow your mind. So here's an image of a model with some skin blemishes. I just prompted Nano Banana to clean up the skin defects. And boom, this is what it gave me. But the image looked a little blurry, so I told it to make the photo high resolution. And when I zoomed in, the difference was crystal clear. Now, wouldn't it be great if she had her eyes open? I simply prompted it to open her eyes, and yep, it did exactly that. Next, I asked Nano Banana to turn her head straight toward the camera and even added a little smile. Check this out. Finally, I wanted to see if we could transform the image into something commercial, so I prompted apply face cream, and here's the result. Literally looks like a beauty ad. You can try out Nano Banana for free on Google AI Studio. The link is provided in the description below. But first of all, you have to log into your Google account. Click on Try Nano Banana. You get a default prompt in the prompt box. You erase it and click on this tiny Add Image button. Add any image and prompt whatever edit you want with your image. So yeah, Google Nano Banana is absolutely next level for image editing. What do you guys think? Would you use it for photo retouching or content creation? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tools in action.